Zibali. She's a musician. She's here to give us a performance as well. She just dropped her EP. Ikamana is called Global Superstar. She's going to tell you more about it and also to perform one of the maybe few songs from her EP. So this was straight by listen to her songs.
It was very nice to be here with you. To those are full today, and then full tolerable pass. I need Zapaza, I need some superstar Zapaza. Thank you so much. You guys look so beautiful. No people like Friday, who was watching movie, who tried to put that man, I'm about to tell you, period. Thank you so much. Last one, guys.